CES is an all-island, not-for-profit organization that has expertise in research, evaluation, program and change management, as well as implementation. Implementation is about a deliberate and thoughtful process of turning evidence and research into policies or practice. So it is about avoiding kind of haphazard or best practice or best attempts, but using established methodologies to try and put a structure around how things are turned into real life. And by doing that, that increases the chances of success of the policy or the strategy delivering the outcomes that people expect.
Implementation matters because imagine that you have a brilliant policy or a groundbreaking idea or a project that could change everything. But then somewhere between planning it and reality, things get a bit stuck. So that probably sounds familiar, and it's what we would call the implementation gap. But the good thing is you're not alone, and we at CES have just the thing to help you get back on track. Because at CES we're all about turning ideas into action. We've spent years mastering implementation science, and no, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of it as a toolkit for making sure that what you plan actually happens and that it actually works in the real world. So now we're excited to share that we have just the toolkit, and whether you're an academic trying to make your research matter, or whether you're a practitioner fed up with seeing well-intentioned projects lose steam, we've got training packages that can really help you and really help you succeed. Our implementation training for policymakers and practitioners is tailored for people on the ground making things happen. Policymakers, project managers, anyone responsible for turning policy or initiatives into real-world results. So if you're someone who is tasked with delivering impact and driving change, then this training is designed for you. This training is important for policymakers and practitioners because this training isn't just about theory. It's built to help you apply these strategies in real-world settings. And so by the end, you'll know how to plan, how to structure, and implement approaches that create impact faster and in a way that lasts. So it's about making real change in the services you deliver, and it's about doing that right the first time. So our training starts with the essentials. You'll get tools and frameworks to help you map out your stakeholders, identify enablers and barriers, and develop a clear roadmap for success. It's not just about theory. It's really about building practical skills that will guide you every step of the way. So in session 1, we'll be doing an introduction to key components of implementation. In session 2, we'll be planning your implementation. In session 3, it's looking at how to go from pilot to practice. And in session 4, it's about building on practitioner competencies. So our training offering is very much about keeping it practical. The training includes case studies, real-life examples, and interactive exercises so that you can apply what you're learning as you go. It's hands-on, and it's very much designed to make sure that you're ready to use these skills in your day-to-day work immediately. So once you've completed those 4 modules, you're not just walking away with newfound knowledge, but you're also going to be getting a certificate and membership of the Implementation Network of Ireland and Northern Ireland. And this is a fantastic network and opportunity to meet other professionals, share experiences, and learn from those who are navigating complex policy and organisational contexts, just like yourself. So you'll be joining a community of people that are working together to solve real-world challenges.
Do get in touch with us to see how we could help you.